Good morning. Hope everybody is having a good week and that you are ready for a weekend that looks like the weather is just going to be absolutely amazing. Might be your last taste of summer, even though it's fall. Some of you like the warm weather. Some of us are waiting to get the sweatshirts on and stuff like that. So I just hope you're all doing well. In today's episode, I thought we'd show something a little bit kind of easier, something you might know. A lot of you use it. Some of you are new, might not know how to use it, or you see it and you're just like, man, I don't know how they do that. So we're going to take a look at today at putting a signature on your email. Something simple. Um, a lot of you use it, and then some of you don't, or maybe you choose not to, and that's fine too. Or maybe you just don't know how to use it, and you're like, I wonder how they do that, but I don't really want to ask. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Go ahead and get my presentation set up here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at, so you open your email. So here's my email right here. You go up to your cog, and you might say, well, what do you mean by a signature? Well, if you go to the compose, you press compose there, and you're going to have it show up. This right here is your signature, okay? And how in the thunder do you put something like that together? Well, let's take a look here. So let's delete that. We are going to go up to your cog right here. Click on that. Next thing you need to do is click on see all settings. Click on that. Now, this is kind of crazy if you've never been in this one before, but there's all kinds of different things that you can do in terms of how your email is handled. And it could be a whole different series of all these little different things that you have that goes along with your Gmail. But if you scroll down, all the way down, you can add a signature. So I already have mine already here, but if I wanted to edit mine, I could just edit it if I wanted to. Okay, but you can put down your name, what your position is, where you teach at. I mean, you can have all kinds of different choices. So I have my name, what my position is, school, the building you can find me in, or at least I'm housed in. I have my number, my extension. We have a Twitter. I have the YouTube channel if you wanted to just access that. Then obviously my email. You have the choice to once you create your signature, you can go ahead and it'll automatically add it to the end of the email or your messages you are sending. What is interesting is when you're in Google, so on my computer here, now if I am on my iPad, I need to create one on my iPad so it doesn't carry over from device to device. So if you're logged in as yourself on a different device, it will work like a computer to computer. But if you're using your iPad, you have to make up your own signature there through the app. At least that's what I've found. If not, it'll just say sent from iPad. Same thing with your phone. If you have an Apple phone or an iPhone, you'll need to set up your signature through there. But once you have your signature set up, all you have to do is scroll down and then save changes. Once you've saved your changes, then you'll be able to have your signature on the bottom of your email. Something simple. It is one of those things that you can use. Some people use it a lot. Some people don't use it. It's not a have to at all, but it is something that is there that you can use. Something simple, and if you want to kind of professionalize some of your emails, that's up to you. But I just thought it'd be something nice to do today, something simple, a little trick for you. In the next couple of episodes, we have some big changes coming through Google Meet. I'm excited to show you. We're waiting for Google to roll those out. But one of the cool things that they've added is the whiteboard extension that is integrated right into the Meet. So you can actually have a whiteboard on your Meet. It's through Jamboard. Pretty excited about that. But that will be an up and coming episode. Like I said, just um, waiting for Google to release that. So looking forward to that. Hope you enjoyed this little episode today. Hope you have a great week and enjoy your weekend. Thanks for watching.